Welcome to Emilak Online Tutorial. Let us look at this interesting exponential logarithmic expression, and it shows that x raised to the log of x all over the log of x. So all we just need to do here is to simplify. So how then do we do this simplification? All right, let's get started. I want to clear this before we move on. Now that you have x raised to log into log x all over log x, don't do the mistake of clearing this. This is wrong. So what do you do? First, let's record this, that x in terms of exponential logarithm of a base of 10 log x. So x equals to 10 raised to log x. Okay, so and why am I doing this? I want to clear off this denominator first. So this gives me, I will replace x for 10 raised to log x. Okay, so this gives me 10 raised to log x, then times log into log x all over log x. So at this point now I can clear off this, so I am left with log raised to log into log x. Okay, so let's also take note that when you have a raised to log b c, this is also the same as saying b raised to log a c. Okay, now let me use log 10. Let's say I have 2 log 10 base 2. I can rewrite this as 10 raised to log 2 base 2, and we know that in this case log 2 base 2 is 1, so I can have 10 raised to what? 1 as the final answer. Now this is in this case. Okay, so we'll be applying this rule in this case also. So the whole of this, we can simplify it as saying log x, okay, raised to log 10. Now take note, just like saying these two is the same as 10, then this 10 here is the log of x here, so these two is just synonymous to log 10 also here. Okay, now you can see that this 10 becomes the base here, while the base here becomes the argument here. So, and that's the same thing we applied here. So since this also is base 10, and we know that log 10 base 10 will give us what? 1. So our final answer here will then be log x. Final answer. Thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Bye bye.